The brother has said that he has studied the Quran, he wants to study comparative religion. So can I guide him? Which lecture should he refer to? Is there any talk of mine, any program where I teach about comparative religion? There are many of my talks, my public lectures which are on comparative religion, and there are books written by me. Since you are from Pakistan, you can surely, in the religions that you should concentrate more on comparative religion is Hinduism and Christianity. Since these two religions are the religions which are maximum followed besides Islam. So if you want to study on comparative religion, Hinduism, my talk on similarities between Hinduism and Islam is a very good talk. You can even refer to my talk on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the various world religious scriptures. You can refer to my talk on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Hindu scriptures. There's also a talk of mine, concept of God in major world religions. Regarding Hinduism, you can refer to my talk as well as my book on similarities between Islam and Christianity. You can refer to my book on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Bible.